Welcome back to Clockwise Crypto, where we help you move forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets. Today we're going to be talking about Ripple. The lawsuit is almost over. Let's dive in. Stay tuned. So diving into Ripple and what is going on, looking at the article here, the court orders Ripple and the SEC to agree on a schedule to end the XRP lawsuit. So what's been happening is the lawsuit's been going on and on and on. And there's really been no clear direction as to when to put an end to this. So looking here at what was said, the New York Southern District Court has ordered the SEC and Ripple to come to a judgment on the briefing schedule for summary judgment motions. These parties are directed to meet and confer as to a briefing schedule for the summary judgment motion. The parties shall submit a joint proposal schedule and the court's approval no later than 1 week. That 1 week is going to be April 8th. So on April 8th, we're going to have something. This is when they're going to give us a date for when a final decision is going to be made. So we're going to get together on this date that's going to be decided, and the decision is going to be made as to a resolution for this lawsuit. So Ripple is saying here, Ripple wants the XRP lawsuit to end sooner rather than later. A recent motion by the SEC disclosed that Ripple proposed a summary judgment schedule with open briefs and related filings due in mid-May. Unsurprisingly, the SEC wants to schedule the summary judgment at a later date. So they're trying to extend it even further. And so at this point, the SEC hasn't really came up with a determined resolution showing guilt. So this is huge news. Ripple's actually, I'm one that did not necessarily like Ripple at first, because I saw Ripple as partnering with the banks, but from seeing what's going on and seeing honestly Ripple being the only cryptocurrency going to war with the SEC toe for toe, spending hundreds and thousands, if not millions of dollars fighting these people in legal fees. They're the only ones going to bat for the cryptocurrency community. No other platform is. No other crypto is. It's just been Ripple. So this, and the fact that me seeing that this is necessary for adoption, because let's be honest, not everyone's just going to jump on the decentralized train and you become your own bank. You don't need the bank. You can hold your own money. Everyone's not going to jump on that train. So Ripple is going to provide an option for people to, okay, you still want a bank? Okay, here's a way to bank, and it's more affordable. The fees are almost nothing, and it's faster. So me seeing that, I ended up getting into Ripple, and I think you're going to see a huge pump in Ripple really at the close. So whenever this date is, that's what we're waiting for. I think you should, within 48 hours of a decision being made, if it's positive, which is probably going to be at this point, because if the news was going to be Ripple's guilty, this would have been over and they would have settled and this would have been done with. The fact that Ripple's fighting this, they're almost fighting for the crypto community, because it's already been shown that the SEC deemed XRP not a security. Internal documents that could destroy Ripple's case, they already said that XRP is not a security. That's been proven. So now they're trying to continue this, saying, oh, well, how they did their tokens, the fact that people within Ripple were selling their tokens, they're just nitpicking. This is over, in my opinion. If they could have pinned them on something, they would have done it by now. Ripple would have paid the money, settled, and this would have been done. But the fact that this is not done is good news for Ripple. So looking at the price here, Ripple is at 83 cents, almost 84 cents, it's 83.7. A big rally. It hit as low as 83 even. Not too much going on, to be honest with you, but little dips and bounds. Hit in January, hit low as 60 cents. A little bit last year, just really up and down, no serious momentum. If we look at the charts here, we see that Ripple is actually, it seems like it's gearing up to blow up to the upside. So looking at this, we can put our trend line here, and see that we've already established support here at the bottom. And at the top here, we've already established resistance at the top. So what we want to see is a break. And that would be a break and close. I would say about 90 cents is what we want to see. We want to see a break and close above this trend line, this red trend line right here. And just have that be a sense of bullish momentum for everything that's been going on with Ripple. And I think, round of applause to despite I would say my opinion against the centralized part, I truly believe that Ripple is a good investment, and they've, like I said, they've been going to bat for crypto. They've been going to bat. They could have easily just throw some money out, settle it, whatever. They've been going to war, and the result of this is going to impact everything. So, really good news here. But seeing here, what I'd like to see is a break above here. And I think we could pull back and then continue up. That's what I'd like to see. And ultimately, we would have to break the previous level here as well. So we'd have to break the most previous high right here. And then hopefully go up towards the all-time high. So that's something to pay attention to. These levels right here are definitely something to pay attention to. And we will wait to see these two levels broken. And hopefully, with the EMAs crossed, we have our EMAs right here, and they're getting close, looking like they're about to cross. And this has been the 55 cent mark for Ripple XRP has deemed to be a very solid support level. We see multiple touches to this 55 cent level. It almost might be safe to say we'll never see 55 cents again. That might be safe to say. So diving into, those SEC internal documents we talked about, if Ripple gets what it wants, the XRP lawsuit will be over by the summer. Listen, if this is over by the summer, altcoin season is going to explode. This would be the tipping point for what is needed in the crypto market for massive explosion. This is what will be needed. So this is huge. If Ripple, here they're commenting here, if Ripple can get those issues to summary judgment and win on either one of those issues, the case against Garlinghouse and Larson go away. So Ripple was saying that since the discovery involving those two issues concluded, we can move forward with the Ripple case on track, and in the meantime continue to discovery and other issues related to the individual defendants on another track. The SEC, on the other hand, is trying to delay this case by saying that Ripple's case and the individual defendant's case is only one case, and Ripple shouldn't be allowed to move forward until all the discoveries are concluded in regards to the individual defendants. So this is going crazy. This is going crazy. And it goes from being, oh well, you guys sold, Garlinghouse and the XRP staff sold, and then now we're saying, oh, this is just one scenario. We're just other ones we got to uncover as well. This is just going crazy. This is crazy. So I think the fact that a deadline has been determined and that the judge ordered a deadline to be made, we cannot extend this even more. You're going to bring all your findings here, and we're going to come to a conclusion at this date. Kind of prevents everything from going on and on and on, because that's what the SEC is trying to do. And Ripple is going to war with these people. So I think this is big for Ripple. I think from a price standpoint, the all-time high is $3.37, and we're at 83 cents. So just the range from where we're at to the all-time high makes Ripple, or XRP Ripple, a huge buying opportunity. Let's just say this: if Ripple was guilty, something may come out. Okay, cool. But if Ripple was guilty, they would have settled by now. But the fact that it's not settled by now, like I said, this is great news. I am a holder of Ripple. I started against, I passed on Ripple at 2 cents. I passed on Ripple at all these crazy prices. I'm gonna be honest with you. Ripple was actually the first project. XRP was the first project I heard about when I got into crypto. A friend messaged me and said, "Hey, take a look at this. I think it's gonna blow up. It's at 2 cents. It's something called Ripple." I said, "Nah, I'm cool. I'm trading Forex. I'm doing fine." 3 weeks later, that thing was over $1. I said, "Oh my gosh!" Actually, we could pull it up here on the charts. It was, where was it at? It was about 2 cents. It was 2 cents. It dropped down. I would say it had to be around here. It might have been 9 cents. Where was this in 20? This was back in 17. Was it 17? No. Yeah, this was way back. This was right here. Let's say this was 1817. This was back, let's say about right here. I think it was this September 18. No, it was before then. It's not on this chart. Actually, Tether. Let's see if we can go here and look it up. XRP. I think it might have been on Binance. Let's see back. Yeah, here we go. This was it. So right here, it spiked down to there it was. It spiked down right here. It was at 2 cents. It was December of 17. It was right before Christmas. She messaged me and says, "Hey, check out Ripple. This is company." I'm like, "Nah, I'm good. I'm trading Forex." 2 weeks later, it was about 3 weeks later. Let's look at a weekly candle. This was right. About 4 weeks later, it shoots up to 350. I said, what? I lost my mind. I said, man. So it happens. I'm sure everyone that's been in the industry as long as I have, they've gone through this before. It happens. And from here, it rolled down the pump. It went back down, and I missed out on this whole area. I didn't start taking positions in XRP until I would say sometime this year. So yeah, I missed right here. I remember this. This was it, 2 cents. And I see XRP and Ripple being that bridge between the legacy system and the new decentralized and the new way of doing business when you talk about the internet of money. So we'll pay close attention to this. We'll keep looking at Ripple and we'll keep looking at XRP Ripple to see what's going on. Very exciting project. I think they're going to do extremely well. So the all-time high is $3 for that pump. If we consider this pump, the all-time high is $3.50. Right now it's 83. So a big opportunity for you to capitalize on your gains, capitalize on this opportunity, because it went there once. Just that's 4x in your money, 4 or 5x in your money. So a big opportunity here. And I would definitely take a look at Ripple. We'll cover it. We'll see what's going on in this case. And I'll see you in the next video.